When you got deadlines and you got to make stuff work quick, shortcuts are key. Let's take a look at 7 of the best shortcuts for your Mac. Alrighty, here we go. We got 7 shortcuts. The first one, everybody should know. If you don't know it, you're in trouble. It's going to be a simple command+q. Quit the program that you're in. Simple, quick, exit. command+w will close your window. Not the whole program, just the window. This is a brand new one I discovered that would have been so helpful to me. But now that I know it, it'll be fucking awesome. Okay, let's say you got your windows stacked. And you know, you're flipping through whatever, and you can't see your other windows in the same program. To cycle through the windows in the same program, do a command tilde. That'll cycle through each window of the program that you have open. Very nice. Alright, this next one, maybe you're a guy who needs to take a screenshot, you have articles to do or whatever, and you need a picture of what you got on your screen. There's 2 here. The first one is the picture of your entire monitor. The second one is to select a area of what you want. So to do an entire screenshot of the monitor, you're going to do a shift+3. And it'll go right on the desktop here. And you can see I took a screenshot of what I've had there. The second one here was my other monitor. Now, if I just have a little part of the screen, let's just say I want this right here. You're going to do a shift+4. It'll bring up a crosshair, and then you just click and drag for what you want. Like, I just want this little area right there. And that will take a screenshot. And you got it right here. That one I use the most. Very efficient. Gotta love it. This next one's pretty cool. Delete forward. Everybody knows you can select your text after it and hit the backspace button like that. How about this way? Do a Ctrl+D and you can delete the forward. That is pretty cool. This next one is an absolute must know. Let's say you're working on a program and it freezes and you got the spinning beach ball of death. You're gonna want to force quit that program, and you can't, you know, sometimes it won't let you click up on the apple. You know, you can go up here and then force quit and then select it and force quit it. Tells you the shortcut right here if you ever forget. command+option+esc. So you got the spinning beach ball of death. I can't do anything. I can't click on the apple because it won't let me do it. command+option+esc. Select your program, force quit. Boom. Let's say if you're pretty classy like me and you like a clean desktop, I got no items on it. The quick way to bring a Finder window up, Command+N. But let's say there's a little bonus here, but let's say you wanted to bring up a Finder folder to your desktop. You can do a Shift+D and that'll bring up your desktop folder. Or Shift+A to bring up your applications in a Finder. When you think of the shortcuts, just kind of think of it D for desktop, Shift+D, application Shift+A. It's pretty simple to remember. And you know, like any program, I'm on the Finder program right now, and if I do a Command+N, new window obviously. And there is another one, Shift+U for your utilities menu. You know, you got your disk utility in there, all that good stuff, all that goody good stuff that you need every once in a while. But as everybody knows too, if you can't remember those shortcuts, right up here, go, and then you go to your desktop, documents, from right there too. So that's just as quick to find stuff. This one I use every night. When I first bought my Mac and I came from Windows, I had no fucking idea what was going on. I was like, how the fuck do you shut this monitor off? I was up in the options, I was looking up here. I was like, I don't want to sleep it, I don't want to restart it, I don't want to shut it down. You know, because I have, you know, you might have downloads going at night and you want to keep things running. So I was like, I had to search this one. It's like, I just want the monitor off, I want the computer to keep running. You're going to do a shift+ctrl+eject. That will shut the monitor off and it will keep the computer running. So if you have downloads going, those will be fine and the screen will be off. You don't have to worry about it. That shortcut I use every night. It's the most handy shortcut I've ever had to use. So there you go. You got 7 fucking great tips with a few bonuses thrown in. I hope you enjoy them. Try to remember them. If you forget, do a nice search on Google or come back to my video again, rewatch it. Enjoy, and thank you for watching Dan and Mac.